Oh, hooked up.
Hey everyone, Bassman Strikes here. It was a cloudy, overcast day at the beginning of September, and I had met up with Hernan from Hernan's Real Game YouTube channel to try out a new spot on the Milwaukee River.
Man.
Stay tuned to see how we did. I'll put a link up above to Hernan's channel, so be sure to check that out.
Hernan, Smallie. Chartreuse crankbait. Square bill. Right on the weed edge. There we go, folks. Look at that. Nice Milwaukee River Smallie. Can't beat that with a stick. Hooked up again, dude. Holy shit. Oh my God, it's a big one. Pike. Dude, fish this weed edge. Now I gotta not get hooked. Little sucker. Last thing I want to do is get hooked. There we go, folks. Milwaukee River pike. Second fish of the day. Not bad. From the edge. Oh. Look at it. A dink. Yeah, little smallie. Now I gotta not get hooked by this dude. These are the worst right here. Milwaukee River dink, still a smallie. Whoa, hooked up. Whoa. Hernan. Look at that. That's a nice smallie. Milwaukee River. There you go, 14 inch. That's respectable. There's a little sucker right in there. While you holy shit! That's a nice one. Nicer. Better than the Paint River. There you go. Another Milwaukee River smallie. They're getting bigger.
As we made our way upriver, it got shallower and shallower, and the fish got smaller and smaller. As we went around the bend here and went past the bridge, it got super shallow and there was nothing but dinks. So just follow along and we'll go up past the bridge, turn around and come back, and then on the other side of this island we started catching some more fish. Hernan got into a really nice 19-inch smallmouth, and I'll put a link up above to his channel so you can check out his video of that epic smallmouth he caught.
It's like 4 inches
it had
deep
a
there.
Beautiful pattern, so be sure to check out his video.
It's like 4 inches deep. Yeah, I can feel something hitting it. Oh yeah, I got one. Look at those little shits.
This is as far as we went upriver, and there was nothing here but dinks. They were all over the place. This was like the nursery area of the river. We caught a few dinks here and then turned around and went down the backside of that island. So you can see here the bridge on the other side of the island. We went under that and then we started catching fish. And it was just past here that Hernan caught that big smallmouth. So keep watching. I'll put a link up above to his channel.
Yeah, this water is so clear. Yeah, you know, as the water got clearer, the crankbait didn't work anymore. We don't fall in. Ugh. Whoa! Oh, that's a little better one. Oh, maybe. What? It's a bluegill. What the hell? Look at it.
It's got orange underside salt, just like the smallie I just caught.
Look at that. Look at that. Milwaukee River pumpkin seed. deep enough I can put the
After this section, we started working our way back downriver, and Hernan was up ahead of me, and he noticed some fish busting bait fish. And as it was starting to get dark, we switched over to Whopper Ploppers, and it was amazing. Keep watching to see what happened.
Oh, got one. Woo-hoo-hoo. It does. It's fighting good. Yep. You were right, dude. Now it's too dark. It's too dark. I can't see them. This is a big one, dude. Got him. Look at that. Look at the size of that one, dude. Yeah. $18. There we go, folks. Look at that. 18-inch Milwaukee River Smallie.
So after this fish, it started to get dark really fast. The cameras really didn't pick up much after this, but we kept casting the Whopper Plopper as the smallmouth seemed to be moving downriver chasing the bait fish. And Hernan hooked into another 17-incher, and I hooked into a 16 and a 14, and I missed two other ones. So keep watching to see what happens. I did have the light on when I caught the fish so we can see the fish and we can hear the action. So keep watching. It's actually pretty cool.
Oh, I got one. Oh, got one, dude. Whoa!
It sounds like a giant.
Oh, shit! Did you see that?
I can hear it.
Oh man, this is a big one. There's my net. Holy shit, he's pulling drag like crazy. Oh, I lost him!
Oh no.
Shit! Ah.
You gotta look at it.
It was a big bass. Got one, got one. Come on, stay down, you sucker. Got him. Oh, look at that.
Whopper ploppers, like I said before, are one of the most dangerous lures there is. Once a bass starts thrashing with the low-hanging hooks of this lure, it's very dangerous and easily to get hooked, especially in the dark. So I was trying to avoid that right here.
Oh, looky there. Look at that. That's nice smallie. $16. Look at that. Whopper Plopper smallmouth in the dark. Can't beat that.
That sound you're hearing when I cast is the Shimano Curado DC. It's a digitally controlled reel, and it really improves your casting distance and eliminates a lot of backlashes that can occur, in wind and whatnot. And it really came into play in the dark. It really proved its worth.
Oh, whoa! Got another one, dude. Yeah. It's another nice one. Come here. Man, these suckers fight like crazy. Oh, I don't know. Well, this guy's like weird hooked. Got him. Oh, that's about 15. Let's see, not a huge one, but man, he fought hard. $14. Man, but that catching him like that in the dark, that's freaking awesome. And there we go. Another river smallie on the Whopper Plopper in the dark.
Well, that's it, folks. Overall, it turned out to be a great evening, and catching those bass in the dark with the Whopper Plopper was simply fantastic. I'll put a link up above to Hernan's channel so you can see the fish he caught. He caught a couple of really nice ones. One was 19 inches and it had a beautiful pattern, so be sure to check out Hernan's channel. Bassman out. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you'd like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.